guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I had a transformation done yesterday. I've been wearing this hat for the last 24 hours just to not show anybody. It's my birthday weekend and I decided to take the plunge and cut off all 8 inches of my hair. It was around this long. I'll insert pictures here. And today I'm gonna be doing something nobody knows about. Today's Friday, my birthday's Sunday, and I'm going out tonight possibly. Definitely tomorrow and Sunday during the day. So I'm going to go blonde. I'm thinking blonde. I haven't really decided yet. I haven't been white blonde in like 16 months. I stayed dark, level 3 and darker to a 1 this whole time. And I'm surprised that I did that, but I wanna change it up. But I was thinking about maybe doing something warm and peanut buttery, like a level 7, and just use permanent color because of my gray. But I don't know, you guys. I love white blonde so much, and I'm definitely gonna keep my hair this short. My cousin cuts it. Get like a better idea. It's dry skin in there. That's also this time of year, so I always like to make sure my hair is short. I think I'm gonna bleach it and decide what I'm gonna do then. If you wanna watch this video of me doing my own hair, then keep watching. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. I wanna be serious and really grow this page. I've been doing this for almost 2 years, and I should have way more followers than I have, so help me out, guys. All right, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be mixing up my favorite lightener. It's only thing I'll ever use in my hair, and look how sucky this is. I got my nails done a color I've never done before, really vibrant and bright for my birthday weekend, and I got them done yesterday, and I didn't even make it to Friday night without having them ruined. So I'm going to mix up right now, and I'm going to tell you guys what I'm mixing. So I'm going to be using my Holy Grail lightener, Schwarzkopf Lamy. This is the only lightener, true story, even despite when it used to swell and I had an issue with it, the only lightener I would ever use on my hair. And then I'm going to mix it with my Holy Grail 20 volume. I could probably get away with a 7, but I'm going to do 20 just because I want to get out of here and go do some things and get ready for tonight. So I'm going to mix it. I'm not going to use Olaplex because it has a bond enhancer built into it, which is great, but I'm going to use 20, and I let it sit for up to an hour on me, but my hair is virgin, and I'm naturally like a blonde as a kid. I have virgin hair, so I don't really want to use Olaplex, and it slows it down a little bit. So I find my hair always lifts very seamlessly and easily. You guys, look at this. My neighbor's here, and we were talking, and I was a blonde as a kid, and she remembered that, and nobody ever believes me.
I remember when you were born, I was there, so you should be.
I was a blonde, right, Diane?
Yes, you were a blonde. I was there.
So here is a picture from me when I was like 7 or 8 years old, and look how level 7, 8 my hair is. That was in the fall, so imagine what it was in the summer. And then we'll decide when I rinse what I'm gonna do. So let's mix up.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could.
All right, so I'm gonna take a before pic.
This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire. Tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby. Take me higher.
All right, guys, we're gonna dig right in. I really hope it doesn't burn because, girl, I be scratching my head last night a lot. My hair spins in all kinds of different directions, so I like to make sure I always go against it and with it to make sure everything's really getting really saturated. And I know it's funny, but I use more than like a full scoop and a half bleach of me on me, even with short hair like this, because saturation is so important, you guys, so important.
You love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun.
When you're doing a bleach and tone or on the scalp lightener, make sure you use a lot of lightener and really saturate. It's not like foils where you have the extra warmth and heat. You wanna make sure you really apply. Even though I have short hair, I wanna break through that hair and really get it in there, like glob it in there like this, like I usually say not to do. Alright guys, so I applied all the lightener everywhere and now it's starting to burn already. But I'm already a level 7-8. So I'm going to put a cape on and just deal with it. I already knew when I scratched my head yesterday and got my hair cut that it was gonna burn, but I gotta stick it out. If I can stick it out to a level 10, I'm gonna do white. But if I can't and it hurts too much, I'm gonna at least tone down to maybe a surprise of a different color, we'll see. I plan on having a lot of fun and a lot of different videos and a lot of different colors with keeping my hair short. Stay tuned, I'm gonna let it process.
We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right. If you love me right, if you love me right, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Let's go. I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of...
Alright guys, look at my hair. Now I'm gonna tone it. And for the toner, I mixed up 10P, 10BS, and 10V. Guys, it feels good to be blonde and it was so easy. I had to cut all my hair off, but it was worth it. Get that virgin hair in there. And I'll leave this on for about 5-10 minutes. My hair always lifts so well. I had the bleach on for 50, I think it was like 60 minutes to be exact. My scalp is gonna have scabs tomorrow. It always gets scabs. The more I do it over the years, the more my hair gets my scalp gets really sensitive. Alright, so we're gonna let this process for about 10 minutes and then I'll show you guys the final result. Alright guys, so I finished my hair. Let's take a look.
our lives. The sun sets on fire. Tell me your desires. We're not getting tired. Baby, take me.
Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for tuning in and watching this quick video. So I ended up toning with 10B, 10P, 10BS, Goldwell Colorance, and I used 20 volume with Blonde Me with no Olaplex for my bleaching. It literally took me, I would have been done in like 30 minutes, but I let it sit for an hour to be safe. I like it bright white like platinum. I don't want it to be too ashy, but I think it looks really good. My head's sore, that's for sure. Ever since I got older, after all the years of bleaching on my scalp, it literally scabs the next day. I don't know why, but I'm back and I plan on keeping up with the short haircut because I really like it, and I plan on keeping it short for a while and doing different things to my hair, different colors, blondes, other things. So stay tuned, and next time I change it up, I'll let you guys see it, and I'll be sure to post a video. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram at BRHairArtistry. Follow my personal Instagram at I_am_Brett_Ryan, and go follow that YouTube page as well in the link. I love you guys so much, as always. So long for now. Mwah.
Give it to me, baby.